So it seems that I've snapped the tube of the attachment to my excavator, and it's not supposed to do that. First one snapped off, I had to go at welding that one. That worked for about 5 minutes, because the other one was in pretty bad shape as well. But as we can see, I didn't really have enough power, and that will be a recurring theme. So there's not really any depth to the penetration of my welds. However, we clearly see that we have quite a bit of room, and I have some rebar that we can perhaps do something with. Now, once more, we're back again. I welded this thing on. I also dug into the split right here, filled that up. And I think it's sort of good as is, but it doesn't really look that pretty. So I'm just going to fill in some slag holes here and there. And I think we're good to go. Now, just want to talk about one thing for a quick second. I am the worst welder in the world, but even though you're not the best welder, you can always sort of compensate with a lot of grinding. And if you just persevere, sooner or later you will actually have something that looks rather nice. I think that will do. Couldn't actually reach the slag because the angle grinder just starts cutting into this part. Same on this side. Otherwise, it seems to be pretty solid. There's bubbles here and there. Could probably thicken up this piece a bit, but either it's gonna hold or it's not gonna hold. Time will tell. there's just one thing remaining, and that's to see if this thing even fits. So far so good. Ah, come on. Where's the hammer? Would you look at that? That's nice.